5 healthy plant-based foods you should consume daily. A new trend in the food industry is plant-based foods. This means that these foods come from plants like vegetables, fruit, beans, and grains. There are many reasons to start eating more of these types of foods. They're good for your health. It's better for the environment. You can save money and you'll feel great. We have the top 5 healthy plant-based foods that will satisfy any dietary need. 1. Quinoa. Quinoa is a starchy and nutritious grain that contains more protein than other grains such as rice, wheat, or corn. Quinoa has been called a superfood for its high content of essential amino acids. It has a lot of protein and can be used in many recipes, giving you an endless variety to choose from when cooking. There are so many types that it's hard not to find one perfect for each food craving. 2. Avocados. Avocados are a healthy plant-based diet food that can be eaten raw or as part of many recipes. It is full of omega fats and other nutrients, which make it an ideal choice for those who want to live healthier lifestyles. They are full of healthy fats and nutrients that will sustain you in the long run, while giving you all the energy you need for your day. Avocados have been shown to help people feel fuller after they eat them, because the fat content makes you take longer before hunger sets in again. 3. Almonds. Almonds are one of the healthiest plant-based sources in existence and have been a staple part of diets around the world since ancient times, due to their extremely positive effects on our well-being. Not only do almonds help lower cholesterol levels, but they also work as an energy booster during exercise sessions. It also provides essential vitamin E nutrients, which promote skin elasticity and fortify bones against diseases such as osteoporosis. All this without raising blood sugar. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a rich and filling vegetable that can be eaten as either an appetizer or a main course. They're also incredibly healthy, with the added bonus of being a plant-based, vegan-friendly option. Sweet potatoes are considered to be a superfood by many nutritional experts, as they offer multiple health benefits that can even rival those of their close cousin, the potato. 5. Cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice is the perfect base for any dish. Its light and fluffy texture lends itself to be an excellent substitute in dishes that typically contain heavy carbs, such as fried rice or macaroni salad. Out of all vegetables available on Earth, it has one of the lowest calorie counts, which makes using this vegetable very effective when you're trying to lose weight. It's low-carb, gluten-free, and provides 3 times the amount of fiber, 4 times more vitamin C per serving than white rice does. This makes cauliflower an excellent substitute for anyone looking to cut down on carbs or add plant-based nutrients into their weekly diet.